In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an image file into an Excel table cell. Open Excel, then open the workbook you want to use. Once the workbook is on screen, click cell C2. This is the first empty cell in the image column, next to coffee beans, and it is where the first picture will go. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, click Pictures. A drop-down menu appears. Move over Place in Cell, then click Disk Device. This opens the standard file picker so you can choose an image saved on your computer. In the file picker, go to the folder where your downloaded images are stored. Here, that folder is on the desktop. Click the coffee beans image to select it. Then click Insert in the bottom right corner of the dialog. The picture now appears inside cell C2. It fits within the cell instead of floating above the worksheet, and the row height stays the same. If C2 is selected, the formula bar shows the word picture, which confirms the image has been stored as the value of that cell. Next, click cell C3 for the notebook row. Go back to the Insert tab, click Pictures, move to Place in Cell, and choose this device. In the file picker, select the notebook image, then click Insert. Now click cell C4. Use the same path again, Insert, then Pictures, then Place in Cell, then this device. Select the headphones image and click Insert. Then click cell C5. Once again, go to Insert, then Pictures, then Place in Cell, then this device. Select the mug image and click Insert. At this point, all 4 cells in the image column contain in-cell pictures. To confirm the pictures are part of the table, click cell C2 again. Look at the formula bar. It should say Picture. That shows the content of the cell is an image, not a floating object sitting on top of the sheet. Now hover your pointer over the cell. A small card preview of the image appears. This confirms the picture is embedded in the cell value rather than floating over the grid. Next, widen column C by dragging the right border of the column header. As the column changes width, each image resizes automatically with the column. That shows the pictures are anchored inside their cells and remain part of the table structure. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The Excel table now has a real image in each row of the image column. Each picture stays inside its cell, moves with the row, and resizes with the column. When you click an image cell, the formula bar shows picture.